Hey guys, so this is going to be my weekend morning routine. For me, this is actually winter vacation, so it was pretty much a weekend for me. But I just want to let you guys know that. Make sure to like this video and subscribe and comment down below if I should do an evening routine. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So my morning starts out like everyone else's. I have to wake up. So I did not wake up to an alarm this morning, thankfully, but I did end up waking up around, I think it was 8 o'clock, 7:40, 8 o'clock, somewhere in there. That's usually when I wake up, but during school time, I wake up way earlier, guys, don't worry. So I get out of bed and I put on my glasses. I get some water in my body because that's really, really good for your body just to get hydrated. And then, of course, I had to say hello to you guys. And I also tried to turn on my lamp to make the lighting better, but it didn't really help that much. Fun fact, though, this was a cloudy day, so I didn't get any filming done except for this video. Of course, when I chose to film my morning routine, it was cloudy outside. What do you know? But, oh well, it's fine. It totally worked. The lighting does get a little better eventually. So anyway, I go ahead and I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth, and then I make my bed. Also in this clip, I actually raised my blind as well, but the lighting pretty much didn't change at all, so that's great. Usually it would have, but again, it was really cloudy, so it didn't work. But anyway, I'm going ahead and making my bed, putting the pillows on there and the stuffed animals. Like this video if you love my fluffy unicorn, guys, because I love her. So once I have made my bed, it is time for me to get dressed. So there were my pajamas, there's my outfit for the day. Actually, I just realized my entire outfit was from Maurice's. The sweatshirt that I'm wearing and the skinny jeans are from Maurice's, and then I went sockless for a while until my feet got really cold and I had to put socks on. So anyway, then I went into the kitchen and I made my breakfast. So today I'm having avocado toast because it's pretty much the best breakfast you will ever eat in your life. Sometimes I actually scramble an egg, or I don't scramble an egg. I make like a sunny side up egg and I put that on top, and that makes it even better and, you know, full of protein and all that good stuff. But I didn't today because I wasn't really feeling like an egg, so I just put the toast in the toaster. I typically only have one slice. I'm not usually super hungry for breakfast, and it usually fills me up. So I put that in there. I use a napkin instead of a plate because I wanted to save on the dishes and, you know, having to wash them and whatnot. So I use a napkin, and then I got my knife and I cut my avocado open, and then I also had to get spices. So I use cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, and salt on my toast. It just kind of adds, because avocados are kind of bland without a little bit of seasoning. So I like to add a little bit of something to my toast so it's not totally flavorless. And yeah, and then I just have to wait on my toast, and I am not kidding you, it takes forever for my toast to get just a little bit toasted. And so yeah, here I am just waiting and waiting and waiting, and then finally I put my hand next to it and it decided to pop up. So that was kind of magical. Perfect timing right there. So anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and spread the avocado and put the spices onto my toast, and then I'm gonna go eat it. I really wish that I could put the avocado on my toast this fast, but unfortunately it's sped up by 8 times, so unfortunately I wasn't actually that fast. So then I typically go to my bedroom, I say a little prayer before I eat my food. Also, I didn't even mention, but I usually pray before I even get out of bed, but I didn't film that because, you know, that would have been kind of whatever, I don't know. Anyway, so I just say a little prayer, and then I usually pull up Jess and Gabriel Conti. If you guys do not know who they are, you need to go subscribe to them right now. Pause this video, open a new tab, go subscribe to them, and then come back or something. I don't know, just continue watching this video, please watch it till the end. But anyway, I go ahead and I usually turn on one of their vlogs. I recently found out about them, or found their actual vlog channel together, and so I've been trying to catch up on all the vlogs and watch every single one. So that's what I'm working on here. But yeah, so I usually just eat. Sometimes I eat at my desk. I don't usually eat on my bed, but I was just kind of feeling like a little bit comfy, so I sat on my bed. And then once I'm done eating my breakfast, then I usually put my phone in my windowsill. I leave it there, and then I do my devotions and stuff. This Q&A book I got for Christmas, and I love it. I didn't write in it today though because the question didn't really pertain to my morning and more pertain to my entire day, so I had to go throughout my day and answer it at night. And then I go on to my devotions. I do the Simple Truth devotional and the Uncommon Life devotional. The Simple Truth devotional is quick and simple, as it says, so I like to have 2 devotionals. So once I'm done doing that, I actually have to get my phone out and I look up the journal prompt for the day. I have a journal prompt for every day of the month of January, and then I'll find February and etc. So yeah, I was just looking that up. I write it at the top of my notebook page, and then I just answer the question. So today's question was actually, do your actions match your words? And no, guys, I was not dabbing there. I had to sneeze, but yeah, so I wasn't dabbing, don't worry. But yeah, so anyway, that was the question for today. If you guys want to answer it, you can comment down below. Again, that question was, do your actions match your words? And then I also have a Bible verse a day for the month of January. Again, I find different ones for each month, so I have a different Bible verse or passage every single day, which is really fun and cool for me because it's different, obviously, every day, as I said. And then I also am doing a psalm a day, so that'll pretty much get me almost halfway through the year. So I like doing that as well because I really like the Psalms. And if you guys are wanting to, read your Bible or get into it, then I recommend the Psalms and also Proverbs. They're really good. But yeah, that is pretty much what I do. I put everything away, obviously, and I leave out my journal and stuff for later. But yeah, I put everything away so it's not such a cluttery mess. And then I go on with my day. So for this particular day, I ended up working on my 1,000 piece Marvel puzzle that I'm currently working on. I'm actually almost finished with it as I'm talking right now, so I'm really excited about that. Otherwise, I would usually read or edit a video or write a blog post or even film a video, but again, it was cloudy today, so I couldn't film a video. But yeah, that is pretty much my morning routine. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like it, and like it also if you guys want me to do an evening routine, because I really like to do that as well. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss one of my videos. Check out the description box for some fun stuff, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys!